Bonjour, mes amis. So, here I am going to teach you the definite article in French. So, let's start with the basic rules. In English, we only have one definite article, that is the. In French, there is more than one definite article to choose from. All French nouns are either masculine or feminine, and just as in English, they can be either singular or plural. The word you choose for the depends on whether the noun it is used with is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. This may sound complicated, but it's not too difficult. So let's see. Singular with masculine noun, that is le, and here is l apostrophe, and singular with feminine noun, that is la, and l apostrophe. Plural with masculine noun, that is le, plural with feminine noun, that's also le. Here you have to notice lu and la change to l apostrophe when they are used in front of a word starting with a vowel, and most words starting with h, and h is always silent in French. Le is used in front of masculine singular noun. Let's take an example. Le chien, that is the dog. Another example, le jardin, that is the garden. La is used in front of feminine singular nouns. Let's take an example, la souris, that is the mouse. La porte, that is the door. L apostrophe is used in front of singular nouns that start with a vowel a, e, I, o or u, whether they are masculine or feminine. Let's take an example. L'ami, that is masculine, and what's that meaning? The friend. Lu, that is feminine, and the meaning is the water. You need to notice here L apostrophe is also used in front of most words starting with H, but some others take lu or la instead. L'hôpital, that is the hospital. L'hamster, that is the hamster. Notice that it is a good idea to learn the articles or the gender with the noun when you come across a word for the first time, so that you know whether it is masculine or feminine. A good dictionary will also give you this information. Les is used in front of plural noun, whether they are masculine or feminine, and whatever letter they start with. Let's take the examples. Les chiens, that is the dogs. Les portes, that is the doors. Les amis, that is the friends. Les hôtels, that is the hotels. Note that you have to make the noun plural too, just as you would in English. In French, as in English, you usually add an S. When les is used in front of a word that starts with consonant, you don't say the S on the end of les. Les chiens, that is the dogs. You are not pronouncing the S. Alright? When lay is used in front of a word that start with a vowel, most words starting with H, and the French word y, you do pronounce the S on the end of lay. It sounds like the English word zip. Les amis, les amis. The friends. Les hôtels, les hôtels. That is the hotels. Using a accent ghav with lu, la, l apostrophe and le. The French word a accent ghav is translated into English in several different ways, including at or to. There are special rules when you use it together with lu and le. So let's start. When a accent ghav is followed by lu, the two words become o. O. O cinema. O cinema. That is to the cinema or at the cinema. O professor. O professor. That is to the teacher. Okay. So when a accent ghav is followed by le, the two words become o. O. O maison. O maison. That is to the house. Vous étudiants. Vous étudiants. That is to the students. When a accent ghav is followed by la or l apostrophe, the words don't change. À la bibliothèque. À la bibliothèque. To the library or at the library. El hotel. El hotel. To the hotel or at the hotel. So you need to notice here lu and la change to l apostrophe when they are used in front of a word starting with vowel and most words starting with h. So these are the definite articles. In the next video we will learn indefinite articles. Hopefully you found this lesson useful. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Comment below your questions if you have. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Au revoir.